Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode. This is Present Fox here. I just wanted to give y'all a quick update about what's going on with stuff in general. As you can see, I finally got like a little VTuber thing set up over here. But I wanted to show y'all something really cool I've been working on recently, right? I've been trying to do this for a while too, actually. It's like just slowly a work in progress, but it's coming out well enough to where it's like, I could actually show this off and be like, hey, so let me just like go to this simple file, play, C, playcraft, CD. So look, I have two different projects that I'm working on right now. Actually, technically three. Um, there's no way that broke, and it doesn't matter. We'll be fixing that up in a second. But I have been working on some projects recently, and one of them I'm currently doing right now. As you can see, I have a little Game Boy Advance game here, right? And if you can't tell already, I'm making fucking Minecraft on the Game Boy Advanced. Now, if that isn't a shocker, yeah, no, I'm trying to like make my own full engine that can be ported to multiple different devices with ease. This is fully written in C, by the way. Um, this is currently working on not just the Game Boy Advanced, right? I have the engine on the Game Boy Advanced, and hold up a second. If I search up Playdate, see Playcraft. I'll load up the Playdate real quick. Don't worry about my little online game I'm working on. I'll show that in a second. If I drag this into here, look at this. We also have it on the Playdate too. Yes, I'm working on a Playdate engine too. I have more stuff on the Playdate engine because it's actually like more refined and everything's actually set up with it better. I just started porting this engine over because I thought it'd be a good idea to test the capabilities of it. So I said, fuck it, we're putting this on the Game Boy Advanced. So that's how I got here with this. And currently, it's actually going really well. Like all the chunks are working well. I have full like all the faces on the inside are fully cold. It's running really well, and I honestly didn't expect it to work this well so far. Uh, but yeah, this is supposed to be more similar to if y'all have played it already. There's a game called Linecraft. It's here. I'll just show you real quick. Search up Linecraft, right? This right here. This is Linecraft. It is a simple Minecraft game that is supposed to be made on the Pico 8. And I decided to take it upon myself to try and make a version of Minecraft similar to this that is easily portable to multiple different devices. And I've just been slowly working on it throughout the past time. And yeah, I've really just been trying to make something similar to this, but just more like upgraded and like, I don't know, let's to look a bit better for the devices that can run it, that have the space for it. And that's essentially what I've been doing here. So as you can see, I have two different versions of it running right now, and they both are written in C, which just shows how easily portable this engine is. I'm still like getting all the kinks worked out with it though. But yeah, I have, as you can see, the full 3D engine's working. With this one, I even have texture mapping, and has full UVs and all that. It's currently using a fine texturing with the Berry. I think it's called like Berry Cynical. I don't fully remember the name of it. But yeah, this one also has block placing, so you can like fully. Oh, hold up, wrong button. You can actually like place blocks down. You can mine the blocks too. It has infinite generation, which is really nice. So I can actually just walk infinitely in one direction. Both devices have it actually, so I can just like infinitely go in one direction. But yeah, this is really nice. I'm really happy that this is working, and that is kind of what I've been working on for the past like bit of time. It's not everything. I do have something else I've been working on specifically for the Playdate, and I will show that off real quick. So if I go to Project Blank, this is a project that I'm working on currently. Um, this is the first time I'm going to be actually showing it out to people other than the Playdate server, so y'all have a bit of fun watching this. So if I go to the Playdate SDK, Lua, and then I click on Project Blank, I'm going to open a server real quick, and then boom, we're going to go to localhost, I'm gonna run a second project as well, so you guys can see that this is actually working. But we have one goober here, and then we're gonna have another one here. And if you can't tell already, this is supposed to be like an online fighting game. I can't tell why that one's not running though. Oh, it crashed. Uh-oh. What happened here? Why did you crash? Why did you crash from the server? Okay. That's a small issue I'll have to fix later. But yeah, as you can see, they send packages to the server, they receive it, it sends it back to the Playdate. It's very easily seen from this one because like you can actually see like where you are actually on the server compared to where you are in the client. And there's actually like little hitboxes that stay stationary. And there's like projectiles I'm currently working on. All hitboxes are server sided, so it's actually working pretty well. And I do like dashing. Dashing actually gives extra stun. You can like do a little dash jab combo like this. But yeah, I'm gonna fix that up later on. I plan to make a like. I plan to make like some type of like 3-on-3 fighting game-ish type game. Not like Marvel vs. Capcom. I mean like literally 3 players versus 3 other players. And it's kind of like think of like if you've played any like Roblox game, right? You probably have heard of it before, but there's a game called Noobs vs. Zombies. You have 3 teams. Each team has like different classes, or you have 2 teams. Each team has a different classes. And depending on like who you choose in that class, you can do certain things. Like some of them could be like a necromancer or something like that. I plan on doing something similar to that, but more like I don't know, just something in my art style, something like fit it very well. And I plan to make it like more horror themed. And it's not just going to be on the Playdate. This will get ported to PC as well. It's very easily portable. It's literally just written in Lua, so I can port this stuff to Python like pretty easily. But yeah, that's like the main stuff I've been working on my projects. As you can see, I have this little goober here as well. I've been doing a bunch of art stuff as well, trying to just get better at art. I've started getting into animation recently, which I can show up here. Let me just open up my web browser, go to like Hyun's Dojo. You see here, I got some stuff here. Just a little small update on like what's been going on with me, because I know it's been a while. But yeah, if you guys want to go look at my stuff, you can go here and to my page. You can also go to my Blue Sky here. Let me just get on my profile. You can go to my Blue Sky here. I got like a bunch of art posted here that I've made within the past time. I have a Discord server as well if you guys want to join for any updates. I will be posting more on YouTube. This is just like a little update video so you guys can like see what the hell's been going on. And I plan to start editing my videos more. I plan to start editing my videos so like they actually look better for y'all. But I thought I'd just post this so y'all can see it. Just to like give a little insight. But yeah, after all these years, I finally started doing game development, guys. I finally started. And I have a game published too, if y'all want to check that out. If you go to code.thumby.us, right? There is a game. If you go into the arcade, scroll down just a little, it should be right here. This is a demake of UMB from Lurple, if you want to go check out his YouTube channel. And it's a little survival game I worked on. And it's still working actually. I believe I have it opened right now. Yeah, I have thumb right here. You see, it loads up. Yeah, so you have like a little inventory you can open. You have this little mining thing you can look at. All the eyes just mean ice right now. Like, it only has black, white, and a little bit of gray with grayscaling. But yeah, I've been working on game development. I've been getting better. I've gotten a lot better within the years, as you can see with my 3D engines. Like for instance, like I scroll through this little server, you can see like literally I was just going crazy at this stuff. And I finally got here to a point where it's like it's actually running. But then if I go into the Playdate server, right? And if I go to Crosscraft, you can see here, I have been working on this since like, you know, a few months, like a good amount of months ago. I've been working on this. Like there's been a lot that's been done to this. Like this was the Python build that I made just to test stuff out, and then this was the first build I made. I tried it in Lua, and I kept on going. I just kept on going, trying to push it more and more. Eventually got it working. I think this is a C, right? Yeah, I got it in C. I got a lot of help from 2D and Fred and a bunch of people in the server. The server's awesome. I learned a lot from this server, and then you can see started getting texture mapping working, and more started coming along, more and more, and it just started to be the project it was supposed to be. And then I got this little chicken done, little chicken, and then after getting the entities to like work, like you see, I got rotation working on it. My dumb self accidentally ported the engine to the Game Boy Advanced just to test the capabilities of the device, the engine itself. I literally was just testing the capabilities of it, and it turned out to be really good. So, but yeah, I'm really happy I got this working, and I will post some more updates on this, so then y'all can see some more stuff on this later, and I will eventually have a full build of Minecraft working on the Game Boy Advanced. This does have, as I mentioned, infinite generation. Everything's like as optimized as I physically can make it so far with my current knowledge on 3D engines and all that. I'm pretty like basic in the 3D engines right now, but I know how to at least get like a decent culling system set up, and backface culling. I have let me just open up the damn thing here. I got a lot of stuff here. So if I go back here, I got a winding order set up. So like if the winding order's backwards, it won't, render the triangle. You got the way that I'm grabbing each block just to render its vertices within the. I have like a check face system to check the faces between each chunk. This just grabs all the blocks and puts them in this fat list here. But that's probably not the best way to go about that. Like I could probably just make it all into like a bunch of verts and tries that render out later on. But the way I have it here is just simpler for me to understand. And then there's the check faces system, so on and so forth. It's pretty simple. Generation to like get like the chunk positions around the player. This is to generate the world. This is just to draw the lines out to the screen. I did not write this myself. I would have never guessed how to write this part, bro. I had to like search this up and then use a bot to also like help me out figuring out stuff. So that's why these little comments are here. So yeah, I'm still learning, but like the majority of this project is just strictly me just writing stuff down and just figuring it out, because I have no idea what the hell I'm doing, and I just gotta learn it. And then also just porting stuff from my other engine that I worked on. But then it's just a bunch of optimization work, and that's it. It's just a bunch of optimization work. Yeah, I got LUTs for the sine and cosine. Yeah, the position checks. Yep, everything's working. I'm really happy with this though, and I hope y'all. I hope that y'all want to see more of this little project here. I will definitely make more of it, and if this gains more popularity, I will most definitely finish it if it gains a lot of popularity. Like, I'm not even joking. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat it. If people do like this, and I see like some growth on it, I will definitely finish this project up. after I finish the Playdate version, or after I get like more done on the Playdate version. I will definitely update this to be like more refined with it. But yeah, I want to kind of change the direction of my YouTube channel to like go towards my animations, game development, that type of stuff. So then I can just have stuff out there for y'all to see. Just like so y'all can just see the shits and giggles I like making. But yeah, I think for now I'm gonna end this. If y'all ever want to see me anywhere at a random, I do stream on Twitch sometimes. I do like update that in my Discord server if y'all want to join the Discord server to get updates. But yeah, with all that being said, I'm Prison Fox. I'll see y'all later. Good night.